What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, the blue garage is turning red. All will be revealed in a minute, but first of all, I'm just going to play a couple of clips I've got picking up the new car. Something wrong here. Just gonna have to nope. Yeah, that's better. Right, so here is the Mk1 Fiesta, and as I said, it's my dad's, so I'm just going to let him talk you through a bit of the information about the past.
Okay, owned the car about 7 years. It's been in storage for about a year, as you've probably just seen in the last video. We picked it up from my parents, Mitchell's grandparents, down in Bognor. That was going to be the last journey back. Obviously, we decided to give it a last little blast down to the Chelsea cruise the other week. It's had 6 previous owners. Cost me £900 7 years ago. We haven't really done a lot with it apart from keep it on the road, take it to a few shows. It's got the fantastic super duper 950 engine. We're not quite sure about the mileage, whether that's original or not. It's showing 34,000. We can go back to 2005 when it was only showing 25,000. So it's either genuine mileage or it's 134,000. We don't know. Okay, so little 950 4-speed gearbox. As you can see down here, there's no brake servo, only a master cylinder. The car's originally a 1983 built, but registered in 1984 because it states it was registered overseas. Whether it was built and not sent overseas and only registered for overseas, we don't know. But it's definitely always been a right-hand drive. The logbook states that it's a Fiesta base. Inside on the dashboard it says Popular Plus. So I'm not quite sure. I think Ford just chuck things in cars, whatever they had lying on the shelves in them days. Okay, so the little 950 engine there, it's not staying there. Mitchell will explain in a few moments what's going to happen with that engine and gearbox. Right, so it's not completely mint, a few little marks on it, still showable, little mark on the door. Didn't actually come with them wheels, came with 4-spoke replica RS wheels. So that is basically the car as it stands at the moment, and Mitchell will explain a little bit more now on what we intend to do with it.
As my dad just said, we're not keeping the 950 engine, although it is a little beast. We thought we'd opt for the st170 2 litre, which seems to be going in a lot of classic Fords recently. I'm just going to add some time lapses that we took when we removed this engine from the Focus. We took our time with it, but We got it out in about 2 or 3 hours. It's got to be about 5 months ago now that we've done this, and we haven't actually changed anything on the engine yet. All we've done is got it on our stand and in the garage. Got the st170 here. Just going to give it one last start up before we take the engine out. Nearly about to get the st170 engine out now, so I've removed all the front ends, radiator, crash bar, etc, some auxiliaries as well. Also removed the shafts and put it back on its wheels because we've got this jack to get it out. Also removed loads from the top, but yeah, about to get it out now. Right, so we've got the engine out. Done. So I hope that was all explained quite well. I don't know if it was a little bit confusing, but pretty much we got a Mk1 Fiesta, which is my dad's, was in storage. We've got an st170 engine to go in it, which we will be fitting to it gradually over the next couple of months. We really haven't put a time limit on when we want it to be finished because neither of us has done anything like this before, and we're probably going to need a little bit of guidance along the way. However, saying that, a lot of people have been putting these engines in the Fiestas recently, and I'm sure there'll be plenty of people with the knowledge that we can ask for help. The overall end look for the Fiesta is going to be standard, so we're going to have the engine in it and it's going to be a sleeper. So the wheels are going to be banded. Not sure what my dad's got planned with the brakes at the moment, but it's going to just be original. It's going to have them small little defects that I showed, and yeah, it'll just be a little bit of a surprise when that goes shooting down the road. I hope you're all as excited as I am to start this new project. As I say, it is my dad's, so he's going to do sort of little clips for me, and I'll be adding them into the videos as and when I upload them. Just a little note on the Mk2 though, I've still got loads of stuff to do on that, and the content will just be as regularly available as it was before we started this project. So I hope everyone's enjoyed this video. Remember to like if you did, and if you do like what you see, subscribe to the channel. And until the next one, I'll see you guys later.